تعال بسرعة. أقول لك هات واحد شاي واحد ماي وروح بسرعة.
Did you hear what I said? Beware of the way you treat the less fortunate, because you never know how much Allah may love them. These people did not choose the circumstances that they are in. Allah chose for them. They're away from their families. Some of them are suffering abuses. Some of them are our brothers and sisters. When I see you talking poorly to a worker, I don't think less of him. I think less of you. You go to the same masajid. You pray in the same row. And then when you step out of the doors of the masjid, you treat him with such disrespect as if he was nothing. A'udhu billah. A'udhu billah.